Starting in the name of Allah the Almighty, who taught me ways of and created me as a Muslim in this world. Welcome friends. Hello. I hope you pass well and be fine. Today I am in your surprise and I'm going to teach you a section, lecture in computer power, which is the best software and very essential and usable software nowadays. Was useful, is useful, and will be useful for you guys, and it will open all the doors for you to do a job and can do a job. So what's this program? You can see now. Let's see what's that. So now guys, friends, you see this screen. You see this screen, okay guys? And in here it is written Word. So our program that we are going to study and I will teach you is Word program, MS Word. It is a son of Office. Office is the father of these programs. So Word is the first part of Office programs, which is so important. So what is Word? We will study. So when you open the Word, I will now show you the icon of Word. If you come here and you search for Word, now you see it is Word. It is Word. I want to open this one. So it is Word. So it is Word program. When you open it, it will open this window. So in here you choose what do you want to do. So this part is the navigation bar, we can say, or title bar, or your schedule, or the words that you have done recently. So in here I have done these works recently, so it is saved in this navigation bar. If I want to open these documents, I can open in here very easily and simply. So what is this? These are called templates. We have templates. These templates, agency report, agency resume, and more. These are the templates which are designed by this application, this software, Word program. And if you need these, templates, you can easily enter these templates. As you see, it is designed and it's fixed. Just you can type. If you need this form, you can type easily. For example, pick the date. I will write 131, or I will type 2003 and 1. So in here you can write your name. It has instructed you what to do. So it's a template, a design template by Word program. So I don't need it. I will create it. Okay, you can see. Yeah, sorry guys. So in here, if you want to create a document by yourself, by your wish, from your design and amount, so you can take blank document. Blank document is a blank page that you can add everything that you want. So let's first introduce you with this program. So Office program. We have more programs. The program that we are going to study and we study now is Word, or we can say MS Word. So MS Word. So we are going to study this program. Okay guys, this program. What is this program? It is an Office software which is used to write book, magazine, create cover, or etc. Yeah guys, We can use Word for these purposes. For writing book, magazine, create cover, or etc. Word means what? Word means the collection of letters. So it means that we can write everything that we want, and we can what? We can design these, sorry guys, I'm so sorry, writings. We can design these writings, we can create table and more that we will study. Okay guys, so it was the definition, the introduction of Word program. Now I will not speak a lot, so let's start. What's this program? How can we use this program from beginner? And I will teach you from beginner till advanced. So be with me if you want to learn this program. Be with me, and you can hit below button, like button, share button, subscribe button to have my latest more lectures. Thank you. So now let's start from the beginning. Now, when you open this program, so I will come from begin. So when you open this program, okay guys, it will open. We will start from here. Yeah guys, this window will be open to you. So now you can choose. I want to choose blank document because I want to create one new thing. So you can click or hit blank document. Let's click. Now you have this page, guys. This page is called what? Page or document sheet, document page, that we want to add text and we want to add the thing that we want. So we have these places. This place is called navigation bar. It's menu bar, and it is we can say menu bar too. We have menus, options, option bar or menu bar. It is called minimize. Sorry, it's called maximize, restore down, and it's called close. If we hit it, it will become what? Maximize setting, yes. And if we hit it again, it will come restore down. Restore means become small, and maximize become big. So it is called what? Ribbon display option. Ribbon display option, it shows you the windows. Okay guys, auto hide ribbon, show tab and comments. So these are not important. The important things are in here. We are going to start from file menu. What's file menu, and what can we do in file menu? So in here we have file menu. In file menu, in this part, in this place, in this table, we have first info. Info, you can take it that info means information. It gives us information about our document. So in here we have options. Protect document. Protect document means, for example, I want to, so we will first start from beginner, which is new. So if you want to take a new page, for example, I want to write in here, and I have finished this part, so I want to take a new page, a new document. So you can come to file and click new or hit new. When you hit new, there will be the templates, and you can choose the template that you want. So I want to choose blank document. So it is a new page. It is a new page, a new document. So, and the shortcut is Control N. Control N. And as you see, it is new page. Document 3, you can see in here. Here it is. Document 3. So, what? Control. Now, see, it's a new page, a new document. So the second we have open. The documents that we have saved, and we want to open that again, we can do this in, I can open the thing that I want. For example, I want to open my computer notebook. So it's my book, and I have written this book, so I want to open this book. I can click here, and it has been opened. So it is my notebook. As you see, it has been opened when I click. So the third is save. For example, I want to create a new document, Control N. So in here I write I am Inayat Kamal, your computer teacher. I am Inayat Kamal, your computer teacher. I want to save it. I can easily come here, click save, and now it give you the options. Where do you want to save? I want to, it's OneDrive personal, it's about Google, it will be saved in your Google account, the Gmail account. So in here I have documents, so I want to come to PC. This PC, in here I have folders. Where do you want, you can save. For example, I want to save it in desktop. I come to desktop. Now it in here file name, what do you want to name it? For example, my bibliography or bio. So in here there are the extensions. Which extension sorry do you want to have? I want to have Word extension because I have created in Word. You can have Word macro. These are different things. PDF, we will study a bit of them. So I want to save, just click save and it will be saved. Now when we come to desktop, it is saved in desktop. Now you see in here we have my bio. It is our document. Okay guys, yeah, it's our document. I want to open it, I can click and it will be opened. That's the document that I have saved before. So and guys, the shortcut is and the shortcut of save is Ctrl plus S. When we can select Ctrl S, it will be saved easy. It is the shortcut. Ctrl S. Ctrl with S. So, and the next thing is about save, but it is save as. Save as is also the same as save, but the difference is that if we save a document, we can save by one name in one place, but if we use save as, we can save this document in 100 places, in that much places that we want. Now you see, I want to save as, okay, for example, I want to save it in desktop by the name of GH. Okay, now I have saved that. Now I come again and I want to save it, so save as, I come to save as and I want to save it in my hard disk. So I will come to this PC and browse. So I want to save it in F, tall space. Okay, I want to save it here, so I can save it here. Now we will see, is it correct? Yes, I have one saved document by the name of GHM desktop, and also I have one saved document in tall space my PC in here, as you see. Let's see. So the difference between save and save as is the quantity of them. In save we can just save in one place, but in save as we can save in more places. So the next option is print. What's print? When we want to print, for example, I want to extract this document from my PC. So we have a machine by the name of printer, and by printer we can print it and we can extract this document. So we come to, for example, I want to print it, so very easily come to print. Now in here it's your page. So in here you have print option. If you hit it, it will print. So in here it gives you the selection, how many copies do you want, 1 copy, 2 copy, 3 copy, you can select. In here you have your printer model or company, you can select in here every company that is, you can select. So in here print all pages, it's optionally you can, for example, if you want to print 1 page, 2 page, or all of them, you can choose in here. So in here print markup, print old, only print old page. Old page means old page or old page. For example, 1, 3, 5. If we select only print even page, for example 2, 4, 6, not 1, not 3, not 5, not odd numbers, even numbers. So it was this option. So in here we have pages. How many pages do you want? You can select in here. For example, I want to I have one page, but I want to print if we have 1 till by the dash 3, 1 to 3, and the next of them I don't want them. So print one-sided. So it gives you the option. Do you want to print the text in one side or two sides? You can select here. Calculate it. How many copies do you want to go next, or have one copy from each one? In here, how do you want to be your page? Portrait or orientation? This figure is called portrait, and now landscape is like this, like later, like this. Okay guys, like this. And portrait is like this. For example, A4 papers. Which paper do you like and do you want? In here, which size of letters? A4, A3, A5 we have. For example, I want to have A4. In here, you can select the borders, narrow, normal. For example, if I select this one, it will become narrow. The page will become narrow. Text will be near to border, to these chaucals places. Sorry, I go to Farsi. So in here we have one page per sheet. For example, we have three page. I won't print all these pages in one page, so it will be bad and it won't be readable. So you can do that, but it's a nonsense thing, I think. So I want to save or print just in one page. Select. Now my options are finished. Now you can select. If I have printed, it's print option, button, functions. So it's enough for today. We will start and we will continue our lessons from share option next day. Thank you for your attention. I hope you got something and won't be confused or tired from my lecture. Thank you so much. If you want to have my lectures, and if you like my lecture method, if you like my teaching method, you can subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friends to have my latest videos and to support me to continue to my work. Thank you so much. We will see next